Check this out. I am about to work on one of these vans, and I use the ladder nice and safe. Bring it over this way. Let's take a look. This is what I gotta fix. Now, this customer went to other technicians and they said they couldn't do it. Not something that's gonna glue pull that easy. We are gonna rig something up here, come through that hole and push those dents out and make some good money right now. Let me introduce you to my 24 light duty dent dial. And this is a Paintless Dent Repair flat bar, special flat bar because it can pretty much form any shape in use of repairing dents in vehicles. This is what it looks like sometimes it doesn't. And I'm about to repair this. Now before I use this, I want to show you that it's a malleable steel, so it's going to rust slightly. And at the end of the day, I'll probably take some steel wool with some WD-40 and brighten it up a little bit, and it'll be fine. What's important is that I can make money with this in ways that other tools just fail. Let me show you what I mean. So I got to figure out how to get that power inside there, and my damage is right about there. And you need a lot of torque to push near edges and have a lot of power. How am I going to do that from here? Well, if you have a dent dial, the first thing you think about is, I'm just going to bend it, make some money, I don't care if it breaks. And that's right, that's how I think of this tool. It has to make me money or it's worthless. So right now I came up with the idea of bending it to really curl around that wall. But I want you to look at this bend before I do. Now, if you owned a stainless steel flat bar and you bent it like what I'm about to right now, it will start to crack over time. Why would you want to get a tool that's going to crack over time? You want tools that can bend, and keep bending throughout your whole career. So this is what the bend I need for this particular job is going to be right there. I like that. That's what I was thinking of. I could be wrong, need to bend it some more, maybe straighten it out. But for right now, I got an idea with this one. Basically, I got a wall right there. I put this inside, and then I push this way. That side can push a tip right into the dent damage I have to do. Let's see if it works. Okay. I think this will work. I put an extension on a nice soft tip. I want to start with that. And if I look on this side, perfect. It's actually got a push on it. But kind of bottom out right here, so that means I'm going to have to bend that and get that out of the way. Another reason why you want a tool that bends a lot and not eventually cracks. Okay, so that means we're going to have to bend it right about, I'm going to have to bend that right about there. So I'm going to put it actually this way and then just push down on this side. Now the 24 light duty bends a lot easier than most dent dials. That's a good thing because it'll teach you how to use a dent dial. And basically, dent dials just do whatever you want them to do because you need to make money. Don't buy tools that you don't make money. All right, more bend. I want to be away from that wall. I want plenty of pushing. Okay, I think that's going to work better. Put it inside there, plenty of room, and I can feel it just touching it, but I don't like that wall in that position right there. It needs to be tighter. So this is why the dent dial comes with a sled down the middle. All right, I got the sled on, and I'm using an old 3/8 swivel base that I made years ago. It's working great for me. You can get one at dentdial.com. So right now I got my sled right about there. I think that's gonna work. What you want is a lot of adjustments because you're just not gonna get it right the first time. All right, so let's try this. Yeah, it's nowhere close. I gotta move this thing upwards, and I think I'm a little too And see, right away, you're adjusting it. Could you imagine having a flat bar that had a solid middle? You wouldn't be able to do this. You'd have to have every little screw of every little size to even make it work, and you're gonna be frustrated because you gotta have it bendable as well, especially right at that perfect radius. But do you notice how I bent it first time even more? Because you don't know. So I could have cracked it if it was a stainless steel bar. But nope, this bar is performing year after year after year. So let's get it right here. Almost. Just caught the wall right there. You can see it. Gotta go up a little bit more. And I think it's gonna be past the hump. Right there. I can feel it. It's a really good. Okay, I think this is it. Oh, that's it. Perfect. And I'm way out here on it. So now I'm gonna go up in here. My arm's right there. And I'm gonna nail this thing. Oh, here it is. Look at that. I'm on that thing. With one hand holding the camera. This is Paintless Dent Repair at its finest. You have to have the right tools. There it is, you can see it. Alright, got this very corner to do, and I'm kind of sliding off of it. So those of you in the advanced course, I'll explain how I did this. Alright, all finished. Maybe I can see any flaws. I'm walking up here really slow. Very nice. Let's look at it. This way, damage. If you just pick it up, it's right there. That was not easy getting that very corner out. Customer's happy, and this avoided the body shop. Alright, there you go. That's how I got this one done. Just using a dent dial. This is why you buy a dent dial for Paintless Dent Repair, because it will get you out of a jam into the money. Thanks for watching.